Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before entering into the video, let me request all of our viewers to subscribe our channel and also promote it. Today our spiritual pointer is on relationships. What is the significance of relationship in our life? Life must have relationships. Life is what? Relationships in action. So first of all, we have to understand what is the significance of relationship in action. Man maintains relationship with fellow human beings. If the relationships are not on the line, these relationships create lots of problems. As we are concerned with our daily living, we are compelled to understand, is there any spiritual significance for the relationships? The kinds of relationships are many. Man keeps relationship with fellow human beings and also with nature, animals, all that surrounds him. So this kind of relationship is very much important for our daily living. If the relationship between man and man goes wrong, lots of conflicts will be created. Ultimately, those conflicts will lead to war-like situation. If a better understanding about relationship is not there, man is faced with problems everywhere. Similarly, his relationship with everything, any aspect of life. Let us take an example of the relationship which he has with money. It is one of the most important relationship in life. As money is the basic need of life, he is in search of it. For many people, money is the aim of life. They are earning lots of money for their living, but the basic needs of human beings are very much limited. So for that, a certain amount of money is needed. He earns that also, but even earning that one, he will not be satisfied. He lives in the concept more and more. Hence, lots of conflicts are created between him and other fellow being. Now, how do we solve this? We have to understand that the basic necessities for all the human beings are one and the same. So, if the basic necessities of life are fulfilled, then he may concentrate his mind on something inner. If his inner life is taken care of, then automatically this relationship will be on the right path. Similarly, his relationship with environment, climate, and so on. His relationship with environment is also very much needed. If his relationship is with these things are not on the line, then the environment is polluted. Hence, there also we are faced with so many problems. The atmosphere in which man is living is very much important. If the atmosphere is polluted, naturally there will be lots of health problems. The modern day life is an example for that. We are faced with so many problems like so many viruses. Where from these viruses are coming? Because of the imbalances in the atmosphere. The way of life of human beings on the earth is questionable. All his actions are not spiritual. He does not care about the fellow human beings. Because of this, his actions are not balanced. Hence, we are faced with so many problems. Now, how to solve all these problems? To solve all these problems, we have to go inside and find a solution for that, because all the human beings and also on the whole existence is made on the same principle. Again, to understand all these, we have to understand what is spiritual, what is dynamic, ever living, and it reflects in our relationships. So before understanding relationships, we have to understand what is in this existence. Spirituality is always concerned with what is. So a spiritual person must understand what is. If what is understood, then all these kind of problems will be solved very easily. His relationships with fellow human beings, with nature, with existence, all those things will become normal. So we have to give lots of importance to what is. What is the most simple thing in the existence. For a better understanding of life, this what is to be understood. What is what spiritual is. So a spiritual person will understand this reality called what is. If he understands this, all his problems and relationships will become normal. If the relationships are normal, then the person will not be faced with any kind of problem. Then he will be able to live a spiritual life. Once again, we will come with another one video in the near future.